morning, Gucci crew. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm coming on this morning to tell y'all that Sally sick. I got some kind of bad cold or sinuses. I don't know which one it is. I go to the doctor tomorrow, but I thought I was going to be feeling good today and feeling better. But I am not. I'm feeling horrible. But of course, y'all know he taking care of me. Look at him. He taking care of me, baby. And making sure that I'm okay. So I just wanted to come on and let y'all know that I won't be on live today. Y'all will not be getting me today on live. It's nobody's birthday today. But anyway, for whoever do have a birthday out there in the world, happy birthday from Sally. I just wanted to make sure I came on and let you all know, because I know how my Gucci crew is when they don't see me. Y'all can hold a lot of phone calls. It's just a cold or whatever. From when I got wet a couple of weeks ago at my mom's house, I've been feeling it coming on, but it's starting to get worse. And it's up in here, up in my chest area, and up under my boobies, and in my back. So I go to the doctor in the morning. Y'all don't gotta worry. We going to the doctor in the morning. I have an appointment tomorrow. So hopefully they can give me something to make me start feeling better. I'm gonna take me some Mucinex and stuff and lay around today, and just hopefully I get to feeling much better later on today. Hopefully later on today I start feeling a little bit better than what I'm already feeling, because I feel horrible right now. Right now I feel like I've been ran over by a Mack truck.
That don't stop the coins.
That don't what?
Stop the coins.
He said
that don't stop the coins.
I'm
still sad.
He's gonna be working. Bama gonna be working, but Sally ain't gonna be working. Sally on her back today. So Sally ain't working today. Sally gonna take off today so she can get situated and get her stuff together. But Bama said it won't start the coins. He gonna keep the revenue coming.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, he got the revenue coming in. Y'all just don't worry. You still gonna be able to get your sauce and your seasoning. And to the ones that came to the store yesterday to meet me and thought that y'all was gonna get to see me, hopefully y'all will get to see me later. Y'all didn't get to see me yesterday because I went with Bama to make the deliveries. I was sick. Then it was coming on bad then after dinner, so I get to see y'all hopefully soon, okay? Y'all will get to meet up and link up with me soon. I always try to meet my people, but when I ain't feeling it, I'm just not feeling it. I want y'all to have me at my best energy, okay? I want you to have me at my best. And yesterday just wasn't my best. It wasn't. And today definitely is not it. I look horrible. It's definitely not it. But I'm going to be okay. I want y'all to have an amazing Sunday. I'll come back later on this afternoon with another video, so y'all will see how I'm getting along and making it along later on. But right now, we actually headed out. We had to go pick up some items. I'm riding with Bama.
I'm going to take over today.
And Bama going to have a show today.
I'm going to take over today.
He might come on with y'all live for me later. Okay?
I'm finna go live.
So we're gonna see. It's sometimes it's hard to get him to go live. He gonna be one to do it. So let's see if I can get him maybe to step in and showboat it today a little bit with y'all, okay? He said he gonna go live with y'all.
Sounds like insane.
So I love y'all, Gucci crew. And I'll see y'all later, okay? I love y'all. Much love, Gucci.